Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you 7 tips if your Windows 11 is feeling slow. Number 1. Go to Settings and Windows Updates. This is where you can search for updates, or as in my case, install the ones you need. If you go to Advanced Options and click Optional Updates, you can update drivers and additional updates. Select them and click Download and Install. Number 2. Search for Advanced System and select Settings in the Performance section. Then select the Advanced tab and click Change. Tick this box if it is not already ticked. Number 3. Go back to Settings and select System. Select Storage and click Temporary Files. Here you can click on Remove Files. Another cleanup you can do is to search for Disk Cleanup. Select your drive and the files you want to delete. Then run Cleanup System Files. Number 4. In Settings, go to Applications and Installed Applications. Here you can easily delete your applications that you do not need. Number 5. Go back to Settings, Applications, and select Startup. Here you can see the programs that are automatically started. Disable the programs you do not want to start automatically. Number 6. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and select Windows Security. Then click on Open Windows Security and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Here you can run a quick scan of your computer. If any threats are found, I suggest you contact your IT partner. Number 7. At least you can reset your entire system under Settings, System, Recovery. Here you can do a reset. I have made a video about this here. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like or a comment. If you hit the subscribe button, I would be very happy and grateful. Bye!